what to cook, my tummy's bold. But then I see this app, kitschy so neat. It turns my leftovers into a chef's treat. Broccoli, carrots, and some rice too. Kitschy shows me how to turn them into stew. No need to go out, no need to stress. Just swipe, choose, and dinner's on the list. Download Kitschy, it's free today. Transform your scraps, make dinner stay. Kitschy's magic, no more worries. Cook at home, save money, and be merry. Got a chicken breast, a few tomatoes red. Kitschy gives me a recipe, it's not dead. Tomato sauce, garlic, and a sprinkle of salt. My dinner's on track, no need to fall flat. Leftovers from last night, I can't decide. Kitschy suggests stir fry, oh it's divine. No more guessing games, no more delay. Kitschy makes cooking easier every day. Spaghetti, meatballs, or a pasta bake. Kitschy knows just what I'll crave. Download Kitschy, it's the smart choice for every